Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Uno Solitaire. First, let's set up the game. You'll need a standard Uno deck, which has 108 cards. Deal 7 columns of cards, face up, increasing from 1 card in the first column to 7 cards in the 7th. The top card of each column is available for play. Now, let's dive into playing. You can play a card from your tableau if it matches the color or number of the top card on the discard pile. Action cards like skip and reverse essentially make you miss a turn in solitaire. Draw 2 cards force you to draw 2 cards from the draw pile, adding to your challenge. Wild cards are incredibly powerful. You can play them anytime and choose the next color. Draw 4 wild cards are similar, but they also require you to draw 4 cards from the draw pile. Remember, your main goal is to clear the tableau. Always look for opportunities to move cards and reveal those hidden beneath. To win Uno Solitaire, you must successfully move all 108 cards from the tableau and draw pile onto the discard pile. A key strategy is to focus on clearing entire columns whenever possible, as this reveals new playable cards. Always try to plan a few moves ahead to keep the game flowing and avoid getting stuck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.